Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. I'm going to show you guys how you can do a slick high ponytail with the baby hairs laid and including this long ponytail extension from Unice hair. I genuinely love their hair, and they recently just came out with clip-in extension ponytails. This is a water wave ponytail, and they also have kinky and straight and other ones that I do not remember right now, but they do have a few that's out right now, and this one is my favorite because it matches with my hair better. Slick back high ponytails are my favorite because, you know, it lifts up the face, gives you a little nice DIY facelift and everything. So with that being said, let's get started with this tutorial. I just got out the shower and washed my hair, and my hair's literally thriving right now, but I decided to go in with my Rizzo's Curls curl dividing cream and detangle spray, and this works so good. I forgot how well this worked. I'm just distributing these two products all over my hair, including water, after I use the detangle spray. I really want to start trying more new products for my natural hair, so let me know in the comments what products you guys use for when you style your hair or when you put your hair in a ponytail. After I do that, I'm gonna go in with my detangling brush, and I'm just going to comb my hair again just to make sure all the product is everywhere in my hair. It'll just be way easier for me to do this sleek high ponytail. Also, you're going to be seeing me do a lot of combing because we really want to make sure that this ponytail is super sleek, no bumps, nothing showing. Everything that I am using and mentioning in this video will be linked down below, especially this comb because I love this comb so much. It helps so much with detangling my hair, and it's pain-free too. Next, I'm going in with my Eco Styling Gel, and I'm gonna put this all over my hair because this is gonna really help the ponytail be really sleek. Instead of doing this step last, I definitely prefer doing this step right after I put in my leave-in cream and the refreshing spray because it's really gonna help mold all the hair together and mold everything in place. Then I'm just combing my hair again, but this time with my head flipped over, so it'll be easier for me to do the high sleek ponytail because if I try doing it with my head's up, it's gonna be too difficult for me, so flipping my head over is the best option. After I'm done using the big comb, I like going in with a rat tail comb to really make sure that there's no bumps at all. I get all the smallest bumps that I can, and yeah, pretty much when I do this, I am a perfectionist and I try my best to make sure that there's no lumps or bumps or anything like that. now it's time for me to do the ponytail, and I do about 3 loops because if I only do 2, it's gonna get loose and poofy and it's just not gonna work out. The ponytail is not gonna last me, so I definitely prefer doing 3 loops, and like at the end of the day when I'm about to go to bed, I undo the loops into one little loop. And when I do this, I'm telling y'all, it's a whole entire workout. For the rest of the hair, I'm just gonna comb that part, and then I'm just gonna twist it and wrap it around because I don't really need it out. It's just gonna be in the way for my actual ponytail that I'm gonna use. And I'm also using the back of the rat tail comb to put away any little bumps that I may have, because I did only have like a few towards like the ponytail area. Then I'm using the end of the rat tail comb to make the hair a little bit more loose since it was a little bit too tight. But that's a tip that you guys should do. It helps a lot. And now it's time for me to do the baby hairs, which is my favorite part. It took me so many years for me to finally perfect my own baby hairs. When I do my baby hairs, I start off with one side, because if I try to do both sides at the same time, I don't know, it just never worked out for me when I do that. So I just start off with one side, and one side is going to look different from the other side. I don't want them looking too much the same. And for this part, I did use the Eco Styling Gel, and I kind of just like have a blueprint when I do this because I also go in with actual edge gel. And this is the edge gel I'm just going to be using. It's the 24-hour mega hold or extra hold. It's from Eben, and I just pretty much put it on top of my edges just like this, since I already had a blueprint of like how they're gonna look, and I just want them molded like this and not move. And I also put it on my hair. But this is how I do the bun part of the high sleek ponytail. It looks so good. For the Unice package, I received these goodies, and I received a bonnet, and this bonnet color is so cute. It matches with the robe perfectly. Then I received this and some lashes and a wig cap and a makeup brush. This is the beautiful ponytail extension, and I had got this in the water wave texture, and I love how this looks. I love how it has a clip in the middle so it can be secured on your head. I absolutely love how this extension has a ponytail wrap on it because it'll make doing your hair so much easier and quicker instead of having to make one because it's already there on the extension. See, like, it makes everything look so much easier. And I love how it's not curly as well because the hair is going to be pulled looking straight anyway. So yeah, I really love this ponytail. It is 100% human hair, and I have this hair in 24 inches, and that's the longest that they have right now. Then lastly, I'm just using a bobby pin just to secure the hair. This ponytail is very lightweight and is going to guarantee you that you're not going to get any type of headaches with this ponytail. But I should say that you should definitely floof the ponytail more because it is very lightweight and it will look more fuller. This hair is fresh out the box too, and it has not shedded at all. If you want to know my final thoughts on this hair, just stay towards the end of this video. And that's how you do the high slick ponytail using Unice's new ponytail extensions. And I love these so much. Like, you guys are definitely going to be seeing me wearing these a lot. For this to be 100% human hair and for this to be under $100, this is going to last you a very long time. and save you time on top of that. Do not forget to check out Unice. I'll leave all their information in the description box down below for you guys. Let me know in the comments about what you think about this hair, and let me know if you guys want to see more hair tutorials from me. Like this video, and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.